excited, guys. Listen, you already know we're the fuel factor people right now, talking about gas treatments and how you could save money at the pump. So I wanted to bring you guys along on this journey as I refuel up my Mercedes-Benz. You guys saw me fuel it about 2 weeks ago. Matter of fact, tomorrow will be 2 weeks ago. I ended up putting our fuel factor treatment in that vehicle. I got an additional 68 miles per tank. I was able to go from a 93 to an 87 in fuel, and my overall savings for that consumption was about $32. So we have the fuel factor sample packs, and I have a lot of people who are asking me, what's the difference between the bottle and the sample pack? Nothing except for convenience. This bottle is going to allow you to have 16 treatments to your fuel. The sample packs, of course, I'm only on my second treatment, so I'm going to do a double, but I'm going to let you see it. So what am I going to get from this benefit? As you guys know, I'm decreasing my consumption by 20%. That means every time I fill my tank up, I'm getting an additional 20% of my mileage per tank. Listen, for those of us that have vehicles that do not have warranties or the warranties are getting ready to go, it extends our engine life by 30 to 40%. I have a AMG edition, so it's even going to increase my horsepower. It's going to decrease my emissions by a third, and it's going to save me maintenance at the garage. So the best part is this AMG edition normally runs on a 93 fuel. Last week when you saw me fuel it up, it was $4.99 a gallon. It did go down a little bit to $4.66 a gallon. So instead of doing 93, I'm going to be able to do an 87 fuel. So you wanted to know the sample packs. I love these because it's convenience. You could buy it in the bottle or you could buy it in the sample packs. I like this because I have multiple vehicles, so I could throw sample packs in each vehicle, but it's very simple and easy. They have tear tops on them, so if you look, we're just going to tear the top off. I'm gonna not litter, you're gonna watch me put it in the trash. And I'm doing a double treatment. So Javon, if you'll show them the tank here, I'm just gonna simply put these treatments right inside my tank, just like this. So I'm squeezing the treatment in there, and it slid down into my tank, so you can see these are empty, okay? Now, I'm going to grab my debit card or my Amex Platinum. We're gonna pump some gas. And then afterwards, you guys are going to watch this consume, and then I'm gonna give some people here who are pumping their gas some free samples of our fuel factor treatment. Candace, pay attention to directions. It says remove card. So let's go ahead and remove the card. I'm gonna lift the handle. Now watch. I'm not selecting 93. I'm selecting 87 fuel. You're going to watch me put it right into my Mercedes-Benz, and it's gonna begin fueling now. So listen, if you're ready to save at the pump, no more pain at the pump. If you're ready to decrease your consumption, increase your horsepower, decrease your maintenance, and extend your engine life, guys, we're so confident that this product is gonna save you at the pump that we're willing to give you a 100% money back guarantee, and this is going to work for any fuel combustible vehicle, whether it's gas or diesel. So the only way we can control these gas prices ourselves is to be able to use Fuel Factor X.